Well, fellow traders, it's Tuesday, February 18th. Markets closed and the S&P made a new all-time high today in a very suspicious way. And I'm going to show you what I mean in just a minute. Now, here's the S&P for the day. Went up 2 3/4 points. No big deal, right? Made an all-time high, right? But as I said, I'm not convinced. Let me take you to the chart and show you what I mean. The market opened right over here, okay, at 61.44. And the trading zone was forecast at resistance at 61.61, support down at 61.27. And of course, the market opened, as I said, 61.44. And if I clone my trading zone to 61.44, you'll see that the market should have put in a low somewhere around 61.11. But the market, I think, took a jump, acted a little too quickly, because here, just 3 minutes before the open, had the market opened over here, the trading zone would have called the bottom. But that wasn't the move today. The move today was the gap trade, the plain old gap trade. And notice how choppy the market was. It's a Tuesday. The market trades choppy on Tuesday. But as I said, I'm not convinced that the market is so joyous about putting in new highs. Because look, until the last 3 minutes of the day, the market was trading at a low, was trading below the previous high. And just in the last 3 minutes, boom, prices rose up 10 points, okay? Not convincing. I'm not convinced. And so this is, I think it's window trading. It's window treatment. But then again, this is only my guess, and it's an afterthought, and hindsight is 2020. Still in all, with all this choppiness, this is an impossible day to trade. If you were smart, you would have traded the gap, got off here, maybe made 10, 12 points, and that's it. Wait for a better day to trade. Thanks so much for watching. Keep your powder dry, trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.